maybe 2007, I just always liked EDM, and then I grew up with that song. Like that song was really popular when I was like 12. So I thought it would be a nice revisit to my childhood with like a little playful song to use instead of a more like serious one than I usually do.
So the first transition is from like Loving You, which is in the part that I used to be in a relationship with my ex. And the second part is La La Land, which it was the first movie I watched with him on Valentine's Day. And the third one is A River, that is more like a strong rhythm. In which case, trying to remind myself I can be strong after the breakup.
About a year ago, I started to work with friends who are very serious in art, whether it's dance, photography, videography, or painting. I reflected a lot when we were collaborating and experimenting, and it came to me that every one of us has a creative soul. We all have stories, things we're passionate about, and we all love to share. I found that to be the most exciting and inspiring thing. The idea of Project Fireworks is to incubate creative ideas. I want to not only be part of this movement of expression, but to also help nurture it. I am constantly amazed by the work people are producing, but I also get very frustrated that they go unnoticed. I admire the effort and the commitment, and I know how hard it is to produce good work. And I also know the excitement and reward of feeling acknowledged. Art is a discovery. You see not just with your eyes, but with your emotion. You aim to feel, to capture, to seize a moment, to tell a story, to paint an image, and to create a memory. We see things we don't normally see, and we feel things that we've never felt before. Art truly is an eye-opening experience. I don't have ambitious goals for this project, but I do want to be there for those who are passionate, who are adventurous, who are expressive and creative, who are bold and unafraid, who have stories to tell or messages to send. I'm not looking for impact, but I do want to be a sturdy support. I want people to know that there are those of us who care and are actively looking for beauty. I'm so very grateful for those who have supported the project, those who have been working with me in this journey. I have certainly grown and learned a lot. I hope that you too will be inspired and join us in this creative discovery. Be different, be open, and be ready for an experience living in the moment. And I hope that perhaps you and I together can create something beautiful, memorable, and unique. Welcome to Project Fireworks.